Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey cuz, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this very pretty and simple spring makeup look here. So if you are interested in seeing how this look was created, just keep on watching. Alright, so the first palette I'm going to be dipping into is the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I'm going to be taking this bright orange on my Morphe 167. I'm going to pack that all over my lid. I know there won't be these days. We gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone. But see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. So I'm just going to kind of lightly tap out the edges. I'm gonna go into this lighter orange here in the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to go right above where I just placed that bright orange. Won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block while everyone sleeps? Take this yellow here in the Zulu palette. My looks, my hair, just so I'm low key. If you tell the world, that would be weak. Oh boy, see I'm trusting you. Alright, I'm gonna take this little skinny Real Techniques liner brush, and I'm gonna go into this blue here and place that on my lower lash line. I hope you're responsible. Alright, so for lashes today, I'm taking the Envy Iconic collection in the style number 13. So I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and just put that in my waterline. Alright, so you know, of course, when you think spring, you think glowy. So I'm gonna try a technique that I saw Nakia Joy do in a video a couple of years ago. So I'm going to mix my primer and a liquid illuminator together. So for primer today, I'm gonna take the NYX Angel Veil primer, and I'm going to put that on the back of my hand. And I'm also gonna mix the NYX Born Aglow illuminator, and this is in Sun Goddess. And that is the two. I'm just gonna mix them together. These days, we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone, but see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it. If I let you know, you can. And I'm going to use the liquid highlighter and highlight the points that I normally highlight. Won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block while everyone sleeps? I'll be waiting there with my tricks, my looks, my hair, just so I'm low key. If you tell the world. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the rest of my face just like I normally do. My soul, I probably shouldn't let you. If I let this go, you can highlight with MAC's Gold Deposit. Just want some extra glowy makeup today, you know?
I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know there won't be these days.
For lips today, I'm just gonna do Desi Katie Dose of Color collection and lip gloss and over the top.
This secret from you, I probably shouldn't tell it.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. So of course, if you made it this far, then you already know that we are family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.